Here's how you can create a Ubisoft Connect account. First, open the Ubisoft Connect app or visit the official Ubisoft website and click on the Sign In button at top right corner. On the Sign In screen, select Create an Account. Enter your date of birth, then continue to the account creation form. Enter a username, email address, and password that you want to use for your Ubisoft account. When choosing a username, make sure it follows Ubisoft's current requirements shown on the registration page. Your email address should be accessible because Ubisoft may require you to verify it. Once you've entered all the required information, review Ubisoft's terms and privacy options, then select Continue or Create Account. If Ubisoft asks you to verify your email address, open your inbox and find the verification email. Follow the link or instructions provided to confirm your email address. Your Ubisoft account can then be used to access Ubisoft Connect, manage your games, and connect supported gaming platforms. That's all for this video. Thanks.